Hey guys, welcome back to Hanapouli Farms. I'm Ezra Orkella. Today we're in the lower part of the yard, and this is kind of one of my bigger projects where, as you see right behind me, we have Koa Haole here in Hawaii. I'm not too sure, I haven't researched on its origin, but I'm pretty sure that it arrived here much after the sugar plantations. I might be wrong. I'll research and I'll correct myself on that one. But anyways, it's pretty much rampant here in Hawaii and a lot in the dry coastal areas and also in the dry regions where it's like a lot of drought. But my goal here is to eliminate all the haole koa trees right behind me. These guys up to this line over here, so not too much. I'm not going to go all the way down, but just enough to clear a path to go all the way to the other end of the property, clear it. And of course, as always, I want to plant native. That is my goal here. Reforest this area. It's very dry back here and very prone to fires, especially during the summertime. So prevention, get this going right now. We're into the rainy season almost. It's November right now it's almost November when I'm filming this. And yeah, that is my goal. Chop these all the way down as close to the root as I can. Koa Haole is known to be stubborn and they grow back pretty quickly if not monitored. So the goal right now is just to cut them all down, clear out a path and start planting my natives. I have wili, I have kukui, ali'i, and many other plants that I'll show you later on. After I'm done cutting, I'll show you some of the natives that I have in mind to plant back here. And I'm excited, and I got some good plants coming up. Okay guys, so this is just an up-close view of to the point at which I just cut the trees down. Tried to get it as close as I could. I'll probably, to prevent it from growing back, if I can, I'm gonna just cover it with some cardboard, and I'm not gonna use any root killer. I don't want to use any herbicides at all, so I'll probably just cover it with cardboard thickly. I just clean up these spaces right here like that and just put a cover right over it. I know I have a lot of stumps I need to do that with, but you know, slowly but surely it's going to be a lot of work. But if I cover these up, hopefully, you know, it'll slow its progress to grow. So that is the plan, and I'm going to do that, especially with all the rest up here, but especially with these ones and that one over there, and there's more all over this area. Okay. And here, just to show you the stack of logs of Koa Haole logs that I'll probably use it for something, but they break down easily as well. So I might use it for posts or in compost, break them down somehow. Okay guys, I want to thank you for, that's all I'm going to show for today's video, is just me cutting down and the work that needs to be done to clear this area of all the Koa Haole. I find it to be a weed that grows pretty quick. The root goes deep down into the ground. It's hard to pull out. Even when it's like just young, what do you call it? When it's just like young, very young, and it just sprouted, sometimes pulling it out can be a chore, can be very hard. But because these have been in this ground, in this area for so long, I had to basically just take a chainsaw to it. And like I showed earlier, when I showed the stumps, basically what I'm gonna have to do with each, over time of course, is cover it with some type of material. I'm thinking cardboard right now, as of now, and just kind of putting layers of cardboard there to prevent it from sprouting back up, because they're pretty relentless, or we like to say they're pretty kolohe, and they will grow shoots on the very bottoms, and then eventually, if you don't keep up with it, it'll just become another tree again. And so that's just all the mitigation that I plan on doing back here, to bring back the native plants, let them flourish, bring the birds back in, bring the bugs, the necessary bugs, and just see this place flourish again. Looks pretty dead out here, very dry and arid. I'll show you a little clip of what it looks like on the hillside. I don't plan on doing it, but I'd like to clear all the way down and just plant all native trees. You know, eventually that's like the long-term goal. But for the short-term goal, I just want to move enough of these dry Koa Haole trees out of the way, away from the property, prevent fires, make it green and lush back here with the drought-tolerant plants that I've selected for this area. Okay, but yeah, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll be sure to be checking those and I'll answer them. But yeah, thank you for joining me today on another video or episode of with Hanapouli Farms. My name is Ezra Kello, and I'll see you on the next video. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, aloha.